What up, YouTube? Been a while since I posted a video. Been working on this 2021 S1000. Haven't posted anything on it. Got pretty much all the carbon fiber stuff done on there. All the way down to the belly pin. This one came out looking real good. Carbon wheels, hugger, swing arm covers, frame covers. Just waiting on one more piece. Just that nose piece for the ram air duct in carbon. Bren flash, stage 2. Blue hoses, engine ice, full Acra exhaust. Give you guys a cold start of the bike. Hasn't been started in a couple days. 2,000 miles on her now. Alright guys, I said I'm going to start trying to post a couple more videos coming soon. Stay tuned.